Welcome to your English learning adventure. Get ready to listen, learn new words, and have fun practicing English. Before you watch, make sure to subscribe. It tells YouTube you like this content, and they'll recommend it to more people like you. Let's grow together.
Robo is a small, shiny robot with big round eyes and a friendly smile. He was made to explore, learn, and make friends. One bright morning, Robo arrives in a new place. The place is called Cityville.
Cityville is very big and very busy. The streets are full of cars and buses. Bicycles ring their bells, and people hurry to work. There are shops on every corner and tall buildings that touch the sky. Children are laughing and playing in the park. Everything is loud, colorful, and exciting. Robo looks around and says, "Wow, this city is amazing! There is so much to see."
Robo soon finds a little house on a busy street. The house is small but nice. It has a red door and 2 windows. He feels happy because now he has a place to call home. But after some time, Robo feels a little lonely. He looks out of the window and thinks, "I want to make a friend, but I don't know anyone here. How can I start?"
Robo walks outside and begins to explore Cityville. He sees people talking and laughing together. He sees children playing football in the park. He hears music from a shop. Everything feels exciting, but Robo still does not have a friend.
Then, suddenly, Robo hears a sound. Meow! Meow! He looks around but cannot see where the sound comes from. Then he looks up. There, in a tall tree, is a small gray cat. The cat looks afraid. Its eyes are wide, and its tail is shaking. The cat is stuck and cannot come down.
Some people walk past the tree. They hear the cat, but they are busy. Nobody helps. Robo feels worried. He says, "Poor cat, don't worry, I will help you."
Robo walks to the tree and looks up. It is high, but Robo is brave. He begins to climb. Step by step, he goes higher. The wind blows gently, and the leaves move. The cat looks at Robo with big eyes. Robo smiles and says softly, "It's okay, little cat. I am your friend." Finally, Robo reaches the cat. The cat is scared, but Robo moves slowly and carefully. He stretches out his arms. He says, "Come here." The cat hesitates, then slowly jumps into Robo's arms. Robo holds the cat tightly and climbs down step by step.
When they reach the ground, the cat looks happy. It purrs and rubs its head against Robo's hand. Robo laughs. "You are safe now. You are my first friend in Cityville." The cat follows Robo home. Robo gives it a small bowl of milk. The cat drinks happily and then sleeps on Robo's couch. Robo looks at his new friend and feels warm inside. He learns something very important. When you show kindness, friendship begins.
That night, Robo sits by the window. The city lights shine and cars drive past. Robo feels excited about tomorrow. He thinks, "Today, I made my first friend. Tomorrow, maybe I can make more."
Great job, everyone! Now it's time to learn some new words from our story. Welcome to vocabulary time. Let's look at some words, their meanings, and examples.
Made to explore. Something is built to find new things or places. Example, Robo is made to explore new places.
Arrive. Definition: to come to a place. Example: Robo arrives in Cityville. Bell. Definition: something that makes a ringing sound. Example: ding dong, the bell rings. Bright. Definition: full of light. Example: the sun is bright in Cityville. Exciting. Definition: something that makes you feel very happy or interested. Example: the busy street is exciting. Hesitate. Definition: to stop before doing something because you are not sure. Example: the cat hesitates before jumping. Stretch. To make your body or arm longer. Example: Robo stretches his arm to the cat. Suddenly. Definition: happens very quickly without warning. Example: suddenly, Robo hears a sound. Shaking. Definition: moving quickly from side to side. Example: the cat is shaking in the tree. Welcome to the questions part. Don't worry, just do your best and have fun. Answer the questions. Choose the best answer. 1. What does Robo think when he sees the city for the first time? A. This city is scary. B. This city is amazing. C. This city is boring. Two. Why is the cat afraid? A. Because it is hungry. B. Because it is stuck in the tree. C. Because it sees Robo. 3. How does Robo help the cat? A. He calls the police. B. He gives it food. C. He climbs the tree and brings it down. Four. What does Robo give the cat at home? A. A bowl of milk. B. A toy. C. A bed. 5. What is the lesson from the story? A. Money can buy friends. B. A new friendship starts with kindness. C. Cats are afraid of robots.
My dear friend, our English lesson is over today. Active listening will make you progress. Don't forget to practice. You need to practice to become strong. Want to master Learn English? You're missing out if you're not subscribed. I upload new tips and tricks every day that will take your skills to the next level. Subscribe now and never fall behind. Good luck. Goodbye.